been here in Italy for 5 days now, and my father is a windsurfer, and today he told me I can teach you how to windsurf if you want. I said okay, why not? I will try it. It will be great. See ya!
At first it wasn't so easy. I quickly got pretty tired, but I wanted to try it also the next day.
The next day.
And it started to seem easy. I mean, almost. Yeah, my battery died, but seems like it wasn't enough. My SD card was also full, so bye bye surfing clips.
Oh, I love this. I could spend all day just lying here. Today I think we are going to spend our day in the pool, so I'm going to train some jumping. Whoa. That should have been the transition.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys. Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way.
To było o niczym.
Yeah, we end up the same every time. Cause when our bodies meet, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me It's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. We are sweet on our secrets. Telling black guys to keep them.
It's been already 18 days since we came here. We really enjoyed every single second of this holiday. I tried everything I could try here in Italy. And now our direction is my home country, Slovakia. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And if you liked it, please leave a like down below. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Peace.